Hello, I'm DJ on. Today I'll be teaching you how to make. Yeah, give me a second. I did not notice that. Like at all. Don't ask me how I did not notice it. Oh, yeah. This is just gonna bother me for. There we go. Okay, okay. So I'm DJ on, and I'm gonna be teaching you how to make this. It's a simple mileage efficiency calculator using WPF or Windows Presentation Foundation. So it's just a simple calculation which is this line, which is a dumbed down, but which is a simplified, much simplified version of this. Like they're literally the same thing. Okay, so like you see, this is just a simplified version of this, and you don't have to worry about what the ifs and the tries and the using. That's for a later tutorial. But if you are curious, this is. I just have this here because I thought, no, I'm gonna need these, so I clicked them. And I realized, no, I don't. I really don't. I was using like I was gonna put this here and then that. Yes, no. You don't need to do that. You can do it all in the single button click. If you're running button click, calculate button. This is also easy enough to replicate once you know what you're doing. So let me just open the blank sheet. So yeah, it's my Visual Studio. So this is Visual Studio 2020. I'm going from being you create a new project. You can pick from the templates that should be so that here. Uh, I have it here, but you should be able to narrow it down. I'm always on C-sharp, but you should narrow it down to C-sharp. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. Anyway, so you need to download the you need to get this WPF C-sharp, not Visual Basic. And you can search it here. Remember C-sharp, narrow it down. If you're wondering why Visual Basic is here, since somehow Visual Basic falls under C-sharp. Since as you can see, there's a whole, huh? Anyway, next. Next, the name MEC mileage efficiency calculator, and you have long-term. You most likely have long-term. There's long-term support because you have the basic Visual Studio installation if you are just a beginner, and then you have this the dot five is what I'm running on, which you can from the Visual Studio installer, modify, modify, and that sounds very stupid. Then you go to individual components, and here it is dot five runtime. Mine is already installed, so I can't scroll it down, but you just simply click this and do this. Simple as that. If you already have Visual Studios, of course. Okay, so now that we've established all that, let's create the project. Now, I'm not gonna make it look exactly like the one I showed you, since that is for something else that I had to do, so it had to look like that. Yeah, I can make it look however I want, so I'm just gonna stick to the basic layout that it gives us, just adding what I need being. So I'll also put in the description what parts of it you'll be using, i.e. IE, I including excluding, I think, IE. No, I don't need to put it in since it's simple enough. Labels. Let's see what just happened. It's a big brain now. Where is it? Anyway, like I said, you'll just be needing one, two, three, four labels, three text boxes, a single button, and technically only one line of code. Though you can validate it if you want. And I'll show you how now. While we're working on the view now, I'm just gonna wait for my thing to load. For IntelliSense to finish. Oh yeah, IntelliSense comes with Visual 2019. No, Visual 2020 and up. 2019 as an IntelliSense. And IntelliSense is the thing where you type out something and the rest of the code will just naturally appear, or well, it will predict it. Especially like Google predicted typing, just it doesn't tell you what you, since it doesn't know what it predict. Quite anyway, so first label, And I always just like to take mine to 2020p. It's better to do that directly. Now, where did I go now? Am I needy? Okay. So this is the label miles per gallon, miles gallon efficiency. I just went ahead and made basic labels and text box M, G, if, and calculate. Then the double clicking of calculate, it takes you here. And I just commented this here so I knew which is which. Now, since you'll most likely be dealing in cents too, you'll be dealing in doubles, which is distance decimals. Double M, make it easier on us and name it after the text box. G and FF. Now you have your value set. Now M is then equal to double pause, not button though. M dot text to say that you're referring to that text box. Okay, can't do that since it's the name. So that's M1. Same can be said for G1. Then E if F1 is equal to M1 divided by G1, close it. Then EFF dot text to say your exception is equal to not G1, it's equal to EFF1 dot to string because now you want to convert it to string. And now we run it with the debugging. And I just realized something stupid. Okay, I'm gonna do the small thing quickly. And here is your miles per gallon. Then 25 miles for 5 gallons. It tells you get 5 per gallon. Now let's just comment this out. The simple way to do it is forward slash asterisk then to close asterisk forward slash. Now the simpler method would be the EFF1 dot no EFF dot text is equal to first, the most importantly that I forgot here, math dot round, which will round it off to how much ever decimals you choose. Currently it's on currently I think 2 since we're dealing, well, we're not actually dealing in dollars but or rand, whatever currency you're dealing with, but 2 decimals is the norm in maths and money. Not sure about coding actually. I don't think I was able. Anyway, so then it's the same as this. Double the pause is a double. So I'm quickly m dot text. Then you divide it by double dot pause, not EFF dot text though. You're pausing G dot text. Then you're still inside. You say comma 2 since you're running off the 2 decimals. Then dot to string. Don't forget the brackets or it will be wrong. Now, once again, we run it. And 52, 14. And they gives you as well as rounded off. This one wouldn't give you rounded off. Let me just add that. So if I decide to use it, I have it there, which I doubt I will, but it's better to be safe than sorry. And comma 2 and comma 2. And there you go. A simple miles per gallon calculator using Windows Presentation Foundation, CSOP, and Visual Studios. Thanks for watching. This has been the Cover Guy. I'll see you next time.